I'm Tina. Welcome to Capybara News. Today we will look at weather around the world. Vivian, how's the weather?
Hello, I am Vivian. We calling Capybara News. It is raining. Here is Taiwan. Bye bye.
Thank you, Vivian. Golden, how's the weather?
Hello, I'm Gordon, reporting for Capybara News. It is snowy here in the USA. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Golden. Owen, how's the weather?
Hello, I'm Owen, reports for Capybara News. It's sunny here in France. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Owen. And that's our weather news around the world. See you next time. Bye bye.